Hello, and we're going to talk about the menu feature today. As you can see, I've already added the menu feature to my feature list, but the menu feature is essentially identical to our info feature, the 3-tier, but instead of the option to include thumbnail images in the item list view, you can specify a price for each item. The menu feature is really great for bars, restaurants, or any service providers who have somewhat of a services menu. Pretty much anything where you have a price associated with it. The menu feature works really well. In terms of monetizing this particular feature, you can use it to promote what you have to offer. It also helps to include an ordering feature as well, so users are guided towards that purchase. But they could be simultaneous or subsequently used differently. For example, I've had plenty of restaurants who haven't used the food ordering feature, but they've used the menu to showcase what you have. So when you click on their web-based version, it's a lot easier to know what you want. Really good examples there of how to use this one. So as you can see under the screen info, I've already entered in my feature name and chosen my feature icon. I got a little hamburger on there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a category. So I'm going to create my section title as dinner to categorize. I'm going to call these the burgers because that is what my taco shop sells. I'm going to add these. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the category and I'm going to add an item. I'm going to enter in my item name as Western Bacon Cheeseburger and choose a price of $14.99. And then in my description, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the food, particularly, or the service. I could use images in here. It's a WYSIWYG editor, so the sky is really the limit. I can even put a promo video in here if I choose to. But for the sake of this, I'm going to add a potato bun with, double certified Angus beef patties, cheddar cheese, tomatoes, and barbecue sauce. With that being said, I'm going to add then my feature. I'm going to save. And you'll now notice once it is done saving, I open up the app preview, I'll be able to go to dinners, click burgers, and then the Western Bacon Cheeseburger, and I'm going to have my exact description of what it is, picture and everything. And that is the menu feature.